Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Stripe not showing in Shopify. But first, if you are interested in getting a Shopify free trial with the possibility to get up to $10,000 in credits from Shopify, you can click the link in the description. Now, as you can see, Stripe isn't showing in my payment methods. So the quick fix is to go to General, then go to your billing address and click on Edit. So from here, just select Estonia, enter your legal business name, and then you can click on Save. You can leave your address and your business name the same. All you need to do is change the country from whatever your country is to Estonia. Now just refresh the page, click on Payments again, choose a provider, and as you can see, Stripe is now showing up. So this is how we fix Stripe not showing in Shopify. Now you can just click the Stripe and it will redirect you to the Stripe page so you can connect your account, but I don't want to do that now, and then use it as your payment gateway. So I hope you found this tutorial on how to connect Stripe to Shopify helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. You can check out the link for the Shopify free trial in the description as well, and I will see you in the next video.